Hi, this is Harsha Muktamat here, and I'll be showing you the CMPE281 Lab 1 assignment. I'm just playing around with Amazon Web Services EC2. So this assignment basically talks about creating instance on AWS EC2 and then launching an application on that, and then monitoring it through CloudWatch. So I will go ahead and start creating an instances. So I have already created few instances, but let me just quickly show how I created one of the instance which I am using for this particular assignment. So more or less I'm using the default configuration itself, not changing much except for adding the keys and all that. uh, I'm just adding the keys to that, and then for the rules we need HTTPS and then HTTP, so I'm just enabling those two for uh, for this particular instance. Then I'll just create a new instance, new key for my uh, uh, for the laptop, and then I'll have to download that particular key, and then if I do a launch instance, then it will start creating an instance. So this is that instance which is getting created. Meanwhile, let me go to my already created instance, and uh, we can see that uh, let me show that there is there's actually nothing running right now. As you can see, the CPU spike is at low level. So let me connect to that particular instance. Okay, so now I am in this particular instance, and so if you go through this document, these are the steps which I've already followed. And then right now we are in this particular instance, and I have already downloaded these particular packages, basically Python packages and a pip installer. And then the application which I'm going to run is just a random generator of numbers, and these are the screenshots for monitoring that particular application in that instance, and we can see the CPU usage and all. So right now you can see that there's actually absolutely nothing running on in that particular instance, and that's why you see that there's no spike as such in the CPU usage. Now let me start running the random generator so that we can see that there is some spike which will start coming up for the utilization of the CPU. So if you can see, the random generator is still running, and the spike is also going up. So this is how we can say that the CPU utilization has become pretty high because of the random generator app which is running. And then you can also see different the network spike and the the network spike and the other spikes which show up because of this particular app running. Now let me stop this particular application, and then after some time we can see that the spike again comes down because there is actually nothing running. So if you can see because the application has stopped, the CPU usage has also come down. So this way we can see that, the instant CPU usage has come down because of this. Okay, so that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.